Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b, and you got about a square minus b square. So if we look carefully about this one, that is about a minus b. We need to create about this one because we want to cancel about the square root. So to do about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. So for this one, if we put in here, you got about 2x minus y minus 2 to the power of 2, and this one we have number 4. Now we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. Now we put s equals to number 2 and y equal to number 0 on here, and we got the final answer. The square root of number 4, we have number 2, and we have 1 over 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.